coffee monyanyo.
Okay, I would have like recorded like being 3D printed and whatnot, but it was like unexpected like thing. But it's not like the official like product. Oh, here we go. Oh, oh, sorry. Here we are. Basically, it's just like a rough print of like what it would potentially like look like. We're sort of like doing some like tests and whatnot. Basically, what my sister's done, she's done like a hook in particular. For me, actually, I'll remove it and I'll sort of like show. Okay, so therefore, where you see these bits there, it's sort of like a hook, and it sort of like aims to like put it like around this part, kind of like how I guess how it would be like with various like cosplaying. It'll probably be a bit of a fiddly thing to do, but I'll see what it's like myself, like doing it and stuff. I know my head's not showing or anything. There's reasons for that, because it's mainly all about this. It's not like the official thing. It's just like a little like test thing with the hook part there. Basically, the kind of thing what you probably kind of like get like with a Morpher, but with this, it's not like the prop I'll be using with the whole like Dragon Zord kind of thing. Not at all. It's like for this. So obviously from like part one of this with the documentary and what have you. Oh, inside out. Okay, so basically the aim for that is to slot it like in place there. So let's try that. If you're unsure, just like look in the mirror, and there you go. It's just literally like that, really. Of course, obviously this is still showing, but again, guys, bearing in mind this is like a test kind of thing, because it's better to like get accurate like before like doing the whole thing. So it's just like a little test, because if you sort of like do the full-on thing like for the first time and it kind of goes wrong, then you're literally like fucking screwed, mate. Do you know what I mean? I know it feels so weird that I'm sort of talking where I'm like headless and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm going to finish it from here, guys, and keep an eye on the project. Okay, I'll see you in a sec. Okay, guys, from like the recap from part one, this is like the final like model to it. Of course, what I used is like Blender. This one is like Maya. So that's what it looked like, and obviously you've seen from like part one there was like the Mighty Morphin on there, and my sister managed to like remove it to some sort of degree, so then that way we could like go with like the Z-Arranger. So that's like the model of it, and with this, if you look with this part there, that's the sort of thing you'd see like with like the 3D printer and whatnot, and it will sort of like draw it like from the outline. And if you guys are like familiar with like the 3D printing, you pretty much like know the full thing. So yeah, keep an eye on the project. Okay, as you can see there, that's pretty much where it's sort of like loading. Oh, here we go. The bad boy is starting to begin. Though you're probably wondering why the that's shut. The story behind that is it's the fumes. and whatnot, like toxic fumes. And guys, if you're new to like 3D printing, like get someone to like help you out, because it's incredibly dangerous, and depending what degrees it is, it can like hurt completely. Here we go, people. As you can see there with the filament, obviously a lot of people know, but for like beginners, the filament is the sort of thing what like, all models are like used for. So to a degree, it's like the main part of the product. So yeah, as you can see there, that's the Morpher itself. And if you look at the back part, which is sort of like a rectangle sort of shape and whatnot, it's for the part to support it, like when I put it onto like the buckle, which you've seen like earlier in the video. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled, guys, like within like, I don't know, 2 hours or somewhere like that. Okay, this is what it currently looks like, and if you look carefully, it's currently like 2%, and current time as well. Now, it's quite impressive there. It says like 2 hours and 14 minutes remaining, and today would be approximately like 4:26, but only time will tell. Okay guys, it's an infill. A lot of people would say it's sort of like honeycomb some sort of degree, but it's actually what I just said earlier. But yeah, what do you think of this? Yeah, this bad boy there. So far so good. Currently 26%. Look at this, guys, look at this. There we go, better angle. Okay guys, as you can see, we're making good progress. As you can see, there's none other than the famous Dragon Zord like coin. But of course, it's all like together, like all from like the Thingiverse, but doing a few changes. As you can see there, you can see like the full details and whatnot, like for when we like assemble like the stickers, when it will say like Zero Ranger. It's a tongue twister considering that it's Japanese, which I'm going for. It kind of makes it like more authentic and stuff. But yeah, man, it looks really incredible. At the moment though, it kind of looks like a the old school Adidas like sign, looking at it like upside down and whatnot. But yeah, man, it's really like interesting like seeing all that jazz. So basically, we haven't really got that long now, to be honest. Considering that it's now 94%, so it will potentially mean we've got about roughly like 7 minutes left, which will be like dead on for 26, like apparently. So yeah, I'm going to stop it from there, and I'll show you like the final product. I know that I said that I'll show the final product, but I just wanted to like see like the coin part like being filled up. especially as you can see that they're now like filling up the like the Dragon Zord like emblem, and you go like 95%, and so far like no like cock up like whatsoever. My god, it's gorgeous. Okay, it's now doing the outline of the Dragon Zord like coin. Like basically literally like the Dragon Zord like symbol like from the coin. And it's now like double checking which parts like needs doing and whatnot. There you go, look what it's doing. Okay, now you can see that with the Dragon Zord like emblem, it's starting to like thicken it up, sort of like increase it more. So in that way, you can sort of like see more of like the Dragon Zord like coin. There you go. Let's see. Then come on, be fair. There you go. Currently 98%. Just 2 more to go, and I don't know. It'll become like the buckle Morpher soon enough. There we go, starting to cover it. There you go, 98%. Just 2 more. One more, there you go, 99%. 1 more minute left. A little bit slowing down. It's pretty much showing that it's about to stop like any second now. Right, pretty much like a few seconds now until it's done. Since you can see it's beginning to slow. Look at that. %, ding dang do. Okay, here you go, there's the final product. Pretty good, isn't it? And this is like the buckle where it'll go there. So obviously this is like colour like from the filament. So therefore what's going to be done next is once like the hook is like all finished, because the hook which came with this unfortunately it snapped or something, so therefore my sister she's making a new one. Then afterwards it's going to be like applied like in there, which will be like all glued and whatnot, and then that way it's good to like put it on the dress belt. I haven't got it with me, it's currently like in my sister's room, like for various reasons, but that's for like a next video. So for the time being, I will be doing like some like sandpapering like to it, like to smooth it out and whatnot. Then after when it's all like smooth, like after doing the sandpaper and what have you, it will be the part where I begin doing like the first coat like of paint, like to suck into like the filament of this. Then that's when I do like a certain amount of like coating like for this. So yeah, keep an eye on the project, guys. What have you got there? Is that my sister's hat? Or is it your hat now? I see you're happy about something. Is it because you're on camera, or is it because you got the hat? You really are a little stinker, aren't you? You really are a stinker.